Hello, my name is James. Today, I am happy to share this short lecture by Neville Goddard. Let us begin. The search. If you search for something, you're looking for it not just in the physical world around you, but also in the spiritual realms of existence. To find something, you have to understand what you're looking for and its relationship to yourself, the universe, and everything in it. In our search for something, we often look outside ourselves for the answers. We may be searching for love, wealth, power, or purpose. But no matter what it is we search for, it is within ourselves that we will find what we are looking for. We must turn inward and look for that thing, without looking for it as an external object. To search for something is to search for an understanding of it. To search is to understand. To understand is to find. We must learn how to search within ourselves. We must know what it is we are searching for. We must ask ourselves the right questions and look for the answers within. We must look beyond the physical world and the material world and look into the spiritual realms of existence. In the spiritual realms we can search for the answers to our questions and find the things we are searching for. We must learn to trust our intuition, our inner guidance. We must learn to use the power of our imagination and its ability to manifest what we are searching for. We must be brave and take the risks associated with venturing into new and unknown lands. We must be willing to go on this journey with an open mind and an unwavering commitment to the process. We must have faith that the journey will give us the answers we are searching for. It is only through our search within that we will find the thing we seek. We have to be willing to look deep within ourselves and have faith that the search will be worth the effort. The search for something can be both a spiritual and physical journey. The rewards for completing this journey will be beyond what we can ever imagine. With trust, patience, and courage, we can find the treasures of our souls. Thank you for watching. Please click on the subscribe button below this video, give it a thumbs up, and like it if you did. This video was created with help from Openai.com/playground.